Good morning, this is Jimmy from Scat Recreation. We're going to do a little YouTube video of a Coachman Beyond Ford van. 2 seats, automatic backup camera. Got a bathroom, shower. Got a refrigerator, freezer, microwave. Probably a Bluetooth stereo. Tons of cabinet space up top. Blinds. 12-volt chargers. We've got our Dometic sink. Our 2-burner stove. Nice cabinetry. Countertop. This can be seen at 824 Atlantic Street, Roseville, California. Comes with a generator, Go Power, Trummy heating system. This was part of Canada Dreams out of Vancouver, Canada. So any other videos you'd like to see, check out Canada Dream or Scat Recreation at 824 Atlantic Street, Roseville, California.